your favorite color?
Black. What's yours?
Blue and red and white. What's your favorite animal?
Wolf. What's yours?
I don't like animals.
What's your favorite food?
What's your favorite way to kill somebody?
Chopsticks.
Chopsticks? How do you do it?
Stick it up their nose, bang it down. What's your favorite way to kill somebody?
So you wait, what?
Stick it up your nose,
Stick it up their nose
bang their head down.
and bang their head down, and it'll go into their brain.
Up
Wow,
their
that's so
nose.
smart, and that's coming from like an 8-year-old.
No. Up their eyes, through their, and then through their eyes and through their brain.
So you can do it. So it goes up their nose, through their eyes, and then through their brain.
Yeah.
Wow.
Like if you're gonna kill another way by shooting him after, like it goes through the eyes. If you don't bang